Did they just find a way to reverse aging? You won't believe what happened. Imagine a world where aging isn't a one-way street. What if the biological clock could be turned back? For centuries, this has been the stuff of dreams of science fiction. But today, we're standing at the edge of a new reality. A reality where the science of rejuvenation is no longer just a fantasy. Groundbreaking research is emerging that suggests we might actually be able to reverse aspects of biological aging in humans. This isn't about living forever, but about living healthier, more vibrant lives for longer. A recent clinical trial, known as the TRIME study, has opened a fascinating window into this possibility. Published in the journal Aging Cell, this study initially set out to explore the thymus gland, a vital organ in our immune system that shrinks as we age. The study successfully achieved thymus regeneration in participants, but what truly captivated the scientific community was the unexpected discovery of a 2.5-year average reversal in the participants' biological age. Think about that for a moment. Years, potentially peeled away from the aging process itself. And the surprises didn't stop there. In a truly remarkable turn, some participants even experienced repigmentation of gray hair. Yes, you heard that right. Gray hairs returning to their natural color. This wasn't the primary goal of the study, but it was a visible, undeniable sign of something profound happening within their bodies. The researchers behind this pioneering work, Dr. Greg Fahey and Dr. Steve Horvath, were themselves astonished by these findings. Dr. Horvath, a leading expert in biological aging, expressed his surprise at the extent of the rejuvenation observed. This wasn't some magic bullet, but a carefully designed treatment using a combination of growth hormone DHEA and metformin. This cocktail, while requiring further rigorous investigation, appears to have triggered a cascade of rejuvenating effects within the body. Beyond the visible changes like hair repigmentation, the study revealed even more encouraging results. Participants showed improvements in kidney function, a critical marker of overall health and aging. And when researchers used various advanced aging clocks, tools to measure biological age, they all pointed in the same direction, a significant trend towards rejuvenation. The average participant, after about a year of treatment, appeared to be biologically younger by about 2.5 years. And this wasn't just a temporary effect. The rejuvenation seemed to persist for months after the treatment concluded. This suggests that the treatment wasn't just slowing down aging, but actually turning back the clock, achieving a true reversal of biological age. What's truly exciting is that some individuals experienced even more dramatic transformations, with some of the most impressive cases showing biological age reversals of up to 10 or even 11 years. This highlights the potential for personalized approaches to anti-aging treatments in the future. Of course, this is just the beginning. The researchers emphasize the need for careful evaluation and replication of these findings. We need to fully understand the long-term effects and potential benefits for various organs and systems in the body. But the TRIME study offers a powerful glimpse into a future where we can actively influence the aging process. The implications are profound. While the dream of living to 150 years might still seem distant, this research suggests that extending healthy lifespan and enhancing our vitality as we age is becoming increasingly within reach. The science of rejuvenation is no longer just a concept. It's a rapidly evolving field with the potential to transform how we understand and experience aging itself. The journey to understand and potentially reverse aging is just beginning, but the TRIME study provides a powerful spark of hope and a clear direction for future research. Imagine the possibilities as we continue to unlock the secrets of aging and develop therapies that can help us all live longer, healthier, and more vibrant lives. The future of aging is being written now, and it's a future filled with incredible potential.